Hey guys, this is Ultimate Wolf Sim. We're playing it again. As you can see, I got a mate. I leveled up a little, and also I did a little research. I figured some stuff out, and yeah. So today, and apparently, if I get 70% trust and 70% whatever that says, math. I'm not gonna read it. We can breed if we have an open slot, and right now we can breed. So let me get some water and some food. Oh, I'm also gonna break the animal trap, as you can see over it. You can't really see it. Yeah, I built some. I built an animal trap. I did some off camera. Let me tell you about it. So basically, I was just minding my own business, just recording a video, and like halfway through, I got one of my notifications because I forgot to turn off notification. And I forgot to turn off notifications just now. Okay, I'll go turn them off. Okay, I just turned off all the notifications that would pop up while I'm making a vid. So we are going to breed right now. Let me move this. Okay. Right here. Okay, let's breed. Huh. Oh, we need to get our infinity to 72. Okay. Move out of the heckin' way. Okay. Come here, fox. Oh my god, it's chaos. I did some research. I know a little bit more about it. Who stole my food? Everything stopped. There's probably a bear in my house now. There's this dead bird that just blipped right in front of me. There's a heckin' bear at my house. This is chaos. Where's the other bear? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to real quick just be back. Okay, hopefully there's not going to be any more chaos. This is probably going to be the only time I am going to put my voice in the video because I am very sensitive about my voice. I think I'll get hated on when I actually put please don't hate in the title. But, no food. Okay. Come here, fox. But, let's talk about something, or I might just say silent. This is probably maybe gonna go on CapCut. I might edit this on CapCut for like the stuff I don't really like. I'm not sure. And if this doesn't, then I didn't have the CapCut thing. But all the videos that I did were all on CapCut. And I might actually start doing shoutouts. So if you watch this and you get to this part with the shoutouts, comment your name and I might shout out you. Comment your comment what level you are on this game. If you don't have it, then you can just, when you want a shout out, you can just comment your highest level in a different game. And if you're doing a different game, please tell me the game so I know which game you like. but I will give you a shout out. Yeah, I also, if you do have this game, tell me that, oh no, send me how, whatever your highest level is, and if you don't have Ultimate Wolves, then you can just say your highest level on a different game. Yay, level up, guys. This is my normal voice. I am kind of young. I'm not gonna do an age reveal. Not in a very, very long time. Not in like a couple of years. Because I'm really sensitive about my name, and my dad doesn't really want me to say my name. Yeah, please no hate for my voice or how young I sound. I am trying new things every day. So this has gotta be my exactly first time I've ever done this voice. This might be my first and only time I'm gonna do this. I might also sneeze and pick up and burp. Gotta sneeze right now. Oh my gosh. Come out! What if I just have a sneeze but it won't come out? Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, I got it. Oh, now I have saliva all over my thing. Whatever. Let's stuff that. My gosh, I totally forgot. Snot. Just tiny little bit because that's what I used. Oh my gosh! WTF? Where did you come from? Die now, boy. What's that? Never mind. Yeah, this is probably gonna be my last time because I stutter. Like, not really stutter. I haven't really stuttered. But I go, like, I'm talking about a topic. And I stop in the middle of my choice and start talking about something else. When my last video, I was, had the text-to-speech. I was thinking about stuff and I kept on, switching sentence in the middle of the sentence. Kept on stuttering, kept on changing my mind. So that's why I didn't really want to do my voice, because I knew text-to-speech I could just, if I didn't like it, I could redo it. How am I going to kill this deer? I am literally... My gosh. Oh my gosh, now I am going backwards. Okay, there we go. No. Oh, is that working? I have no idea. If you're recording, you know that little face thing. If I accidentally press that, I'm gonna just toss my phone. Yeah, I'm playing on the phone. And then undo it because I do not want my face in something. And if you send hate, please don't. Come on, how do you get your infinity up? Here, we're going back to the house real quick. Okay, I think we need to sleep. Let's sleep real quick. What the heck is my mate? Okay, there he is. Okay, now that did. Oh, it is getting it, but no, it's not. What? Okay. I think you have to kill and eat stuff to get your thing up. I'm not sure. Haven't really played this in a while. Last time I played it, I was It was still the old version. Last time I played. It's not even the same game. What am I saying? What the heck? Stop it. And this is very different. What does night fishing stuff do anyway? Like, does nothing. I can still see at night. I guess it will help when it's like pitch black, but right now it's not. Let's go to sleep real quick. That was weird. Let's see if that helps. Hopefully no bear runs through like it did like a couple minutes ago. I got encouraged to make this by I don't really want to say her name because she didn't really. I just watch her a lot and I am really inspired by her. You should know. I'm gonna say a couple hints and you might be able to know. She made a Wolf Quest series. She plays Ultimate Wolf Quest 3. She likes Zeus. She likes Warrior Cats. She's making a cat series on if Warrior Cats had kittens. Yeah, you should be able to get her, but if you're a fan of her, you should. Here, I'll give one more hint. Her first name in her YouTube channel is Siri. Okay, that's all the hint I'm gonna do. You should know. You should just type in Siri, and it might pop up. I've actually been watching her Wolf Quest series, even though it was 6 years ago. I remember that one video. I remember when I was little. I saw a what can I say? I saw when I was little, I remember when the Christmas episode was just 2.7, like the elves had noses. Yeah, I remember when I watched that video. I was really young. I'm not gonna say how much because I'm gonna figure out how to try to do some symbolic math and figure out my age and start hating. But yeah, you should know. Because I explained it. I've fallen. I have fallen. Okay, we're gonna go back to the house. Okay, we're back to the house. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, how do you get this stuff up? We might not be able to even get a pup. Our agility is 100. What the heck? Come on, get up. Oh my god, we found out. Yay. Let's clean. Oh my gosh, he just got so dirty. Oh my fucking god. Clean him good. Clean him. Yay. So we have to do that. Let's see. Yay. Oh, that didn't work. Well, hopefully we can have a pup, and next video we will give birth to that pup. I need to get food. snack. Danger Noodle. It's Danger Noodle. Danger Noodle. Kill the Danger Noodle. Yeah, we killed the Danger Noodle. I like Danger Noodles. I folded a water snake before. We found one just slithering in the grass all the way at Pine Valley, and we catched it. Okay, one more clean thing. Let's feed you. That's faster, I know. And look, we have 4 minutes left, so I'm pretty sure it takes around 4 minutes. Oh, we need to do another cleaning. Okay. Why can't I clean you? Real quick. 69, 69, 69, funny number, ha ha ha. Oh, see. Yeah, we can have a pup. 14 heckin' minutes. Oh my god. That's gonna be a long video if we wait for today. But she's pregnant now. Yay, bird, we got a bird. Yay, okay. Oh, there's a bird. Now that she's pregnant, I guess we can go as this guy. Come on, Matt, girl. Come. Okay, I'm gonna watch the footage, and I will see you guys. Here, 1 minute. So we're just gonna keep her right here. Just keep her at the den. Actually, I feel bad. Okay, switch to her. Okay, guys, I will see you next video. That will be a 14-minute long video, and we will have our first puppy. And maybe we can get to level 20 until you have another puppy. Oh, 15. I only need one more level. Okay, tomorrow I bet we're gonna have another puppy. If only I could cancel it, but I can't. This actually might keep going on while I'm not playing. So next video we might have a new puppy born. If that does happen, I promise I was not off camera like that one time happened. I turned off my notifications, so that won't happen. But I will see you all maybe tomorrow. I will try to post tomorrow or in another day. And if I can't, then I promise I will at least try to do it some other day this week. If I can't do it this week, I'll do it next week, I promise. And I might go on a trip. If I go on a trip, I might not be able to work on my videos, but if I can work on my videos on a trip, then that would be fun. I might even show you guys some of the areas if I go on a trip. I will see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe pretty please, and I will see you guys all in the next video. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Bye.